Hey guys, this is Nipal. In today's video, I am going to show you how to find your watch history on TikTok with the new update. So what I am going to do first is to go into my TikTok app. Now when I am on my TikTok app, then I need to click on this try bar symbol in the top right corner. And now click on settings and privacy. And now we need to scroll down a little bit, and then you can see that you will have the watch history option in here. The reason that I have this right now because I did not have it before is because I did this one thing that I will show you. So if you don't have this option, then keep watching. I am going to go back to the settings page, and then I am going to scroll down a little bit more and click where it says report a problem. Yes, and now I am just going to scroll down a little bit and then click on video and sounds. And now I am going to scroll down a little bit and then I am going to click where it says other. Now click on other again, and you will now be taken to this page where it says report a problem. You will need to click where it says no, and then click on need more help. So what you need to do now is to write like this to hi TikTok, I don't have the watch history option on my TikTok app anymore. Please bring it back because it's an important function for my TikTok experience. Basically write something like this to TikTok and try to make it obvious for them that this is a really important function for you to have for your user experience basically, and you don't have to write exactly like I just did, but I think you get the point. And after you don't just forget to click where it says report. So now when we have done that, then it will take about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to respond you back to you. So after a 1 to 3 business days, then you should have your watch history option back on your TikTok account. So this was the process by which you can find your watch history on TikTok with the new update. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.